guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a watercolor potion bottle painting inspired for Halloween. And this is a bit of a longer project than my quick, easy watercolor videos I've been posting lately. So I'm going to speed up a few portions of the video and just talk you through the main steps of how I went about creating this. So if you're interested in learning how to paint a watercolor potion bottle with loose florals around it, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off painting the cork for the glass potion bottle, and I'm using wet and wet and just two colors of brown to paint that in. And once I've painted the cork, I will start on the light gray for the glass bottle. I map in the gray of the glass bottle with wet on dry, and then I added a little bit of masking fluid to the inside of the bottle, and I'm wetting the paper so that I can drop in the color of the potion. I added enough color until I got the depth I wanted, let it dry, and then I pulled out a little bit of color around each piece of masking fluid, as these are going to indicate little shimmers inside the potion. Making sure it's dry again, I add wet on dry to the potion color and the glass of the bottle to get more depth. Remove the masking fluid and take a bit of time to work on the shimmers. Once I'm happy with the shimmers, I start adding in the flowers, and I'm doing loose watercolor roses. So I've added one in and I've mapped out where I want them to be, and now I'm adding in the second one. Then I move along to adding the third rose the same way, starting in the middle, then widening the strokes. And you can check out my video on how to paint loose watercolor roses if you want a full step-by-step demonstration on how I paint these. Now I'm starting on the rose leaves and stems, and I'm using the one-stroke painting method just to create each leaf with one stroke, and while they're still wet, I pull out the serrations around the edges. Now I'm starting on the berries, and I'm using a dark maroon purple color that I added some gray to, and I'm using wet on dry to create the little circles, and I'm leaving a dry space of the white paper showing through for the highlight. Now I'm going to add the shimmer to the potion bottle, and I'm using the sample sheet from Daniel Smith, the sample pack you can get that has every single color in their range. And on the last page they have all their pearlescent and luminous watercolors, so I thought this would be a fun project to try them out on. Now I'm just finishing up the berries, and these berries are inspired by the elderberry tree. There's a variety that have like a dark purplish berry, and I thought they were really pretty, and they are still out at this time of the year, so I added them into this project. Now I'm going around and adding in all the stems for the berries. I'm starting to add the detail to the rose leaves. So I'm going in with a small brush and a darker green and adding the midribs and little veins going off the side of each leaf. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel for a new video every Wednesday. And if you hit the little bell icon beside the subscribe button, then you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. And I will see you next week.